Kernel Document Viewer is a dynamic and completely free utility that allows users to open, view, and read documents. The tool supports different document formats such as doc, XPS, PDF, XLS, RTF, and more. Kernel Document Viewer ensures high-quality viewing of all content elements, including text, tables, embedded images, and links. Launch the Kernel Document Viewer tool. Now, you can see the Add File page, where you can add documents. Choose specific formats to upload files or click on the Select All option. There are two options to add a specific file from the drive or the PC. Click Browse and add specific files from a drive or folder. Also, click Browse to upload files from the PC and navigate to the location. Choose the folder and click on Select. It will display all the files from the selected folder in the tool. You can choose Preferred or All files from here and click on Add Files. All the selected files from different formats will be displayed on the tool's side. Here, you can remove specific files by selecting the documents. After that, click the Remove the Checked Files option and confirm the deletion. The option is to delete all the files at once by clicking the Remove All Document Files option. You can click on the Add Document option to add a new or deleted file again. To preview the document, choose the file of your choice and go to the View option. Click on View and wait for the file to load. The selected document data will be displayed on the screen in a few seconds. Thank you for exploring the powerful features of Kernel Document Viewer. We hope this tool enhances your document viewing experience with its simplicity and versatility. For more information or to download, visit our website today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.